seventh shir and Hilchos Teshuvah. Let's continue with the Rambam. The Rambam teaches us how to do vidui. Now the Rambam says, always they used to say vidui. When they used to bring a chatos, a korban, to Beis Hamikdash, the sacrifice that they used to bring, they also used to say vidui. There was smicha on the korban and vidui. Every year in Kippur and Beis Hamikdash, they used to bring the sa'ir HaMishtaleach, and the two goats that were standing over there, and one of them was sending to Azazel, and he's a mechaper on all sins of all Klal Israel, kalois and chamurois, all kinds of everything. The old Klal Israel was clean from all averas, and the Rambam says even someone that didn't do Teshuvah, so also for him a part of his averas was niskaper. He used to come out clean. Kapore means clean. The chipriod of the clean his hands. It used to come out clean after Yom Kippur. Today we don't have a Beis Hamikdash Nebach. So the Rambam says in Halacha Gimel, Bazman hazeh she'ein Beis Hamikdash kayom today, that we don't have leider Beis Hamikdash. Ve'ein lanu mizbeach kapor. We don't have a mizbeach to bring korbanos and Beis Hamikdash. Ein sham ela teshuvah. We have only one thing. We have only teshuvah. And don't think that teshuvah is small. Teshuvah is the biggest present that there is in the world. Teshuvah is mechaperes al kol averos. The odd averos, kalois, chamurois, the worst in the world. Teshuvah mechaperes al kol averos. Afilu, not only someone that did only a few averos, so he could come and do teshuvah. No. Afilu rasha kol yomov. Someone was a rasha, bad and evil, his whole life. And the Rambam brings over a pasuk in Yechezkel Amid Gimel, and you see over there in the pasuk in Yechezkel, it's also a rasha, and bein adam la makoim, and with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, not doing mitzvahs and doing averas, and also bein adam la chaveiroi, if someone did all averas, makes no difference. Afilu rasha kol yomov, ve'asa teshuvah ba'acharoino, even like his feeling is going to die in a minute, and he can't do averas. He doesn't have already the power, he doesn't have the koiches, the strength to do averas. He has no taivas, desires and passions for nothing because he's dead. He's half dead and he's going to die. But the last minute, he did teshuvah. And he says, Nichanti, I'm sad, I have regrets on what I did. I have charot on what I did. And he's doing teshuvah and he says, Chotasi, Afilu rashe kol yom, of his whole life he was a rashe. Rachmana litzlan. Ve'asa teshuvah ba'acharoino. Ein mazkirin loi da shum davar merishay. They don't remind no avera that he did. None, nothing. As no averas is clean, and the pasuk says of it even more than it, is averas that he did become into mitzvahs. Zedoinois naasin loi kizchuyois. Aleihem hu yichya. And the pasuk says it very clear, and we say over this psukim and ne'ileh, and the end of the nusach of ne'ileh, we say over this psukim. Even if someone was this kind of a rasha, that rasha mois yamus, a rasha that has no way out of his rishes, only by dying, because there wasn't a gzeira from heaven, because the aveira that did it, his punishment is he's going to die, and now after his psak, it's sealed, he's going to die, and his averes is so bad, so evil, no way back. And he's going to do teshuvah. And the apostle says, even very slowly teshuvah, very small teshuvah. Chavoy Yoshiv, he stole something, and now he's giving it back. He was a thief. He took from someone something that doesn't belong to him, and now he's giving back the gneva. Not something, a big tzaddik did now something very great. He had a possibility to do bad for someone, and he held himself in and didn't do it. He stopped himself from doing aveira. Even for a while, he tried to be good. The pasuk in Yechezkel, he tried to be good. Kol trishoisav asher asa, all the averas that he did, lo yizachru lo, they don't remember it. It's erased in a minute. It's not there. No more. And aleihem hu yichye, and this averas is going to live, and that's going to give him a power of life. This avera that he did is changed in a minute. It became from his doinos, it became to his chuyois. That's now his chusim. That's now he's coming up with gigantic mitzvahs to the shamayim. The mitzvahs from killing, a mitzvahs from chilul Shabbos, all this mitzvahs that changed and transferred the mitzvahs in a minute. And that's what the Rambam says in everyone, in every situation, even if he's a rashe kol yomov, a rashe gamul, and the last minute he took himself and he took responsibility on his life and said, I did a mistake. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, I had a mistake. It's not right what I did. I needed to do different. And I want to change myself. That's it. It's not going to be something that's going to disturb him. And ever try to do it, we have a present of Yom Kippurim. That helps us. But Teshuvah has nothing with Yom Kippur. Teshuvah is the whole year. Always, that's our mitzvah, and that's our present that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us.